Hi Toygraphers, welcome back to another video of IF Toys. It's been a while, isn't it? So today is a let's shoot video about this pic. I know you already saw this on my Instagram. And I will use a different format for this video. There will be less of my voice so you can focus more on how I shoot the figure. And I will make it a little bit cinematic. I don't know why I did this. I just want to try something new. And the duration of this video will be shorter than the usual. Enough of me talking. Let's play that intro. Okay guys, thank you as always for watching. Please give your opinion or suggestion about this video in the comment section down below. Tell me which one do you like, this version or the previous one. And see you in the next video. Bye!